Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file on your phone. This method works on iPhone, Android, and Samsung devices. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really supports my work. Now, there is no direct way to download MP3 files inside the YouTube app, so we will use a browser instead. First, open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account. Sometimes it may open the YouTube app again. If that happens, go back to the browser and reload the website. After YouTube Studio loads, pinch and zoom the screen and scroll left until you see the menu. Look for the music icon and tap on it. Now you will see a list of music that you can download as MP3 files. You can press play to listen to any song. Then scroll to the right and tap on download. The file will download as an MP3 to your phone. Open your downloads folder, and you can play it like any normal music file. That's it. You have successfully downloaded music from YouTube as an MP3. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials.